Hey guys, it's your girl Dani Lynn. I am currently on a mega bus on my way to Virginia Tech to see Gabby. It's a long car ride, so like I'm eating a Pop-Tart right now, but I like snacks and downloaded Netflix stuff on my phone and music, so yeah, a little bit trash. I'll do like an update if we stop whatever, but yeah, safe travels for me. So I made it. I was on a car. That's not your car. That one.
That's not making the cut.
No, it does.
It's funny.
I was in a bus for 7 hours. Not talking. I couldn't vlog off the bus because it was 7 hours and I needed my voice back, and it was interesting. We're gonna watch the sunset. That actually looks really pretty.
Yeah.
We're making dinner. We're having, what is this? What do we call it?
I don't know.
Some type of chicken. It's really good. Paprika chicken. And she's making dry rice. And then we're gonna drink Raspberry lemonade. I have my makeup done.
And I look like shit, but she's still vlogging and stepping on my tissue vlogs.
I'm not.
Where are we going? We're going on a trip.
We're gonna go get breakfast because
it's almost noon and breakfast is almost over.
but we're gonna go do that and then come back and just get ready because it's game day. Turn my birthday into a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's a video.
We're at Lynn Stadium, waiting for the Hokies.
I was about to say Cougar Walk.
Boy, if you don't.
I'm gonna headbutt you. You're getting so close to my head. Marching band.
Oh,
Now we're going.
Does have a cast on his arm?
I don't know.
I hope he gets the. Yeah, he's injured.
Now we're going to Center Street to tailgate. Mom, if you're watching this,
We love you.
yeah.
Do it all by yourself. Oh yeah!
Hello.
This bitch.
We're going to the game. I'll film as soon as we get there.
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear.
Gabby! It's really bright. I feel good.
My head hurts. It's hot as fuck. I'm sweaty.
And she was like, bring a jacket and a hoodie. It's gonna be so
and when
cold.
the wind chill kicks in 1 hour, you're gonna thank me because it's cold as fuck.
Those are her roommates. That one's Yasmin and that one's Eva. We got invited to a pre-party and an after party, so it should be lit, bro.
H-O-K-I-E-S Hockey!
I'm pretty sure we're losing right now.
Really bad. It
So-
was 38-14
When we
with 13 minutes left in the fourth quarter. Miami.
She's very upset right now.
And my head hurts.
We gotta take the bus to 7-Eleven to get drinks. We're going back to her place.
Go to sleep.
She's gonna take a nap. I can't. I have to pee really bad though. And then redo our faces, change, and go out.
Yay.
That's Hezzy. Oh God. He's a football player at Tech.
Play golf.
You play golf?
Play golf.
You're such a liar. Okay, well, the parties fell through. Tech doesn't know how to party apparently.
Damn.
Good night, guys.
We're gonna do that.
Oh my God. I am super tired. I don't feel good. When I get home, my mom's putting up the Christmas tree right now, so I'm really excited about that. Gabby. Oh, Main Street is where we're eating. Yeah, I forgot what it's called. A diner for breakfast, so I'm excited about that. Long weekend, not what I'm used to. And I have work tomorrow in school, and I have to finish my homework, so this should be interesting. And I lost my voice again. Just thriving.
I can't wait to watch this vlog.
My vlog?
Yeah. Like, I can't wait to watch it. Like, this shit is gonna be fucking awesome.
Oh, it's gonna be so funny. There's a lot of different types of Danielles in this video.
Oh my God, when you posted on your Insta the
video?
shit,
Yeah.
right there, I was like, oh, next.
I sent that in for vlogging. We just like, we had a look. Like, we just like, I understood what you were saying even though like it didn't come out like correctly, you know. I knew. I packed up my stuff. This is so sad. I don't want to go. So we're at Joe's Diner in Blacksburg. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich and cheesy eggs.
What did you do?
I have no eyebrows.
Okay, look. We got biscuit, cheesy eggs, bacon, hash browns, fire. I was gonna say the other way.
The other way?
Well,
Which way are we going? You lead. There's so many people. So that was really good. And now we're gonna drive like 4 hours, 3.5, 4 to go home. Actually, we're gonna make a pit stop at Madison so she can get some more cookout.
Oh my god, did you see what I said? Your daddy.
Not you.
I'm not a guy. When did you know I had a dick? Because I didn't know. Last night, Hezzy's phone started ringing at like 3 in the... Stop recording this.
Oh.
Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch. 10, 20s on your 50s, bitch. Hundreds.
Holy fuck, it took forever to get here. We're still not here. I'm gonna cry.
It's 6:32. We left at 2 o'clock.
I'm gonna be home at 7. That's 5 hours of driving. It takes me 3, sometimes 3.5
I told
hours
you 4,
to get home.
so. But we are almost home. And I'm almost home. She lives like 10 minutes from me though. But
10 minutes?
Well, because of traffic lights and stuff.
See, this is her. She 10 minutes her driving.
What do you mean?
2 minutes from my house. She lives 2 minutes away. Hopefully we can go to heaven.
I'm so tired.
She got a whole night of sleep, okay?
No.
Her choice. She could have slept on the couch.
Too tall.
She got a whole night's rest. She got to sleep in the car. I didn't sleep at all last night. Hello. No, don't sing.
And she's on fire. Okay, and that concludes the trip. Thank you for having me. That sounded so fake.
You smell good. You smell like strawberries.
I smell your food. How corny is this? Tag was really fun. Good vibes. I can't talk about it a lot because my mom's right next to me. Just kidding. No, it was really fun. I really want to go back in the spring. Gabby's birthday's in March, so that could be fun. We'll see. We'll see how everything goes. Oh, someone's knocking on my door. It's probably my dad and my brothers. It is. I said brothers. My brother and my nephews. Hey! Where's my hug? Did you miss me? I'm vlogging. Say hi. Hi. Okay.